this is Cherie for Just Nailed It. Today we are going to be doing some really basic, simple nail art maybe that you want to do on your little girls. So, grab a chair, sit down. We're going to be using my Flexi Hand to demo. We are going to be doing a couple of bunnies, a little chick, and a little Dodicure. They're really super easy. The only things you're going to need is your nail polish, a dotting tool, and something to use as a palette. I use a cap off of a Biofreeze bottle. Your dotting tool, I use my biggest one on this one, and it's got a really tiny end, so you can use anything for a dotting tool. It could be the end of a paintbrush, a bobby pin. And you got paintbrushes that are in all kinds of sizes, and so are the ends. I mean, it could be a pencil eraser. It could be the tip of a pencil. The thing of the clicky part of an ink pen. Many things you could use as a dotting tool. So we're going to get started, and let me see, we'll leave my hands right here. I still don't have a name for it. In the next 2 weeks, we are going to be having a giveaway for her name. I'm undecided on the prize yet. It could be a $20 PayPal prize. It could be a stamping set starter kit from Anniology. Could be one of those two. Let me know what you think. Let me know which prize you would like. If it's a PayPal, you have to have a PayPal to enter. There has been a few names thrown at me out there, and I hope everyone will enter that has thrown those names at me, and a few more. Hope a lot more names come at me, for the giveaway. I don't want to hear them now. Save them for the giveaway, please. Okay, we're gonna get started. On my hands, I have this yellow here is from C&D Final Luxe in, where's my glasses? Okay, we're reading glasses, so I will need these here in Banana Clips. Really cute yellow. These yellows here is by Wet n Wild Fergie, and I can't see the name there because it's in white. I've had this for quite a while, so this has been out for at least 2 years. My blue is Cloud Candy by Kiss Jill Strong. You get these at the Dollar Tree. The green I'm going to be using in the Dodicure is by Finger Paints, and it is Silkscreen Green. Whoops. Sorry about that. I really like this green. My white is French White. Kiss Jill Strong. In the Dodicure, I'm also going to be using a pink and a purple from Sinful. My pink is Pink Smart. The lavender is Temptress. The brown for the bunny, which is a chocolatey color, it's called Body Language 2624. This is one of their new shades. It's got a slight iridescent shimmer in it, but it works great for the bunny, and currently it's the only brown I can find. My room's kind of under construction. My nail table is in my bedroom, and I've been doing some construction in here as far as moving things around, so I can't find all my nail polish. The orange I'm going to be using is by OPI, and it is Summer Lovin' Having a Blast. Does that sound familiar to anybody? If it is, leave me a comment down below. It's from a movie. My black is Wet n Wild. It is a black creme, which means cream. So we're going to start with our bunny. You don't even need a palette for the bunny ears on this one. It's so super easy. Take your brush. I'm using my white nail, my pink nail polish. Wipe your brush off really good, front and back. Leave some on the sides, the ends though. Let me do this again. Whoops. Just wipe it off slightly, because you're only going to need the side. Do a line. Oh, that's kind of a thick one. And another line. Make sure the end's in the same spot. Try not to have that little drip mark there like I do. I had too much polish on my brush. Now I gotta try to take some off. Sweet little bunny ears. On my palette, I'm going to take my black. Ouch. I don't know if you can see this. You use anything for a palette. I want to get me some tiles from the hardware, the Home Depot or something, and use those. Plus I need to get one to rest my flexi hand on. There you go. There's your bunny. What do you think about that? 2 ears and 2 eyes, and there you go. Got a paper towel here to wipe my dotting tool off, as well as my palette. Instead of you can use cotton ball remover, but I'm doing this on the quick. The index finger for right now I'm leaving blank. I'm going to skip over to doing the chick, which is really super easy. Should have left the black there, but whatever. Let's get us some more out. Take the fat end of your dotting tool. I'm using the pinky nail for this one on my hand. You might want to skip to a bigger hand. That's our finger. It's up to you. Do 2 little eyes. Wipe your dotting tool off. Get you some orange. I've already pre-shook everything. I'm taking my big end and we are going to do the beak. Now, if you have a brush, yes, you could use a brush. I'm using a dotting tool because most women, this is what they have. Some people, you know, I mean, if you're into the nail art, you're going to have this stuff, you know, the brushes. If you're just someone at home, well, you may not. So we're just going to improvise here so that we can accommodate everyone. And there is our chick. I'm going to wipe these off now. I'm going to get my white. We don't need that much because we're just doing the accent of the eyes. Whoops. Talk about a boo-boo, huh? Take the small end of your dotting tool. We're just going to be putting a little dot in here. Oh, so ever lightly. Lighter or heavier than that, though. There we go. Can you see the little dots for the eyes for an accent? Yeah, it's really super cute. I'm going to come back over here to the bunny and do the same thing. Give the bunny a pupil. There we go. Wipe off your dotting tool and your palette. Next we are going to do a bunny. This is where the brown comes in handy. You'll want a generous amount. Well, you're only going to be doing 2 circles and 2 ears, so get the fat end of your brush. Make sure you've wiped it off from the orange. You don't want to, you know, cross-contaminate colors here. You're going to want to scoop it up, and you are going to be drawing a big ball for the bottom. You could use any colors you want to do any of these designs. You don't have to go with what I did. And we're going to come up for the head. There we go. Probably have too much on here, but it's going to take a while to dry. Okay, I'm going to stay with the same dotting tool, and I'm going to be drawing 2 ears. Maybe I should get some polish going here. And there you go. There is your bunny. You see the iridescent shimmer in there. I'm going to wait to put his tail on, which will be done in white because there is so much polish there. I'm going to wipe off my palette. Make sure my dotting tool is wiped off good. And we are going to go to the ring finger, which is going to be the Dotacure. For this, I will be using the blue, pink, lavender, and green. Take off all your colors, put them out on your palette. Do not let them touch. Here we go. I am going to use probably the big end of my brush. With the big end, you can still make any size dot. I'm going to start with the purple and turn the nails slight. There. Okay, I'm going to wipe my tool off, and next I'm going to go in with the green. Wipe your dotting tool off. Next is going to be the blue. Wipe your dotting tool off again. Excuse me, I am going to pause here for just a second. I am parched. Alrighty, we are back. Next, I'm going in with the pink. Sorry about that. I was just really thirsty. Wipe your dotting tool off again, and we're going to go back to the purple. And to your green. And there you go. It's going to take a few minutes for these to dry, which I'm not going to wait for all that on camera. When they dry, you're going to top coat them. Wipe off your palette. Now you're going to go back with your white for the bunny's tail. You could even just take your brush and put a little ball of white there. And there you go. Your manicure is complete, all except for drying time and top coat. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my cute little Easter manicures here. Little ideas that I came up with. And, you know, these are great for children. They will just love them for Easter. And, you know, if you want to do it on your nails, you are more than welcome to do so. But I thought these would be cute for little girls for Easter time. And they're darling. I think they're just darling. So yeah, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you're wondering what's on my hands, this is really a really beautiful, lush, I'm going to call it like black cherry candy apple. It's just beautiful. It is China glaze. And this is Heart of Africa. Whoops, where am I? There we are. Trying not to hit the hand with the wet nails. These hands got some wear on it, so I gotta fix that before church here this morning. This is being filmed on Sunday. So yeah, I'm getting ready to go to church after this. So yeah, after these are dry, put you some no smudge top coat on. Wait for that to dry, and then put you your regular glossy top coat on these. Cap the end of your nails, and call it a day. That is all we have for today. Leave me a comment down below. If you're new here, let me know that you came through and what you thought. Please subscribe and click that bell. You definitely want to get notified of all future videos so you don't miss anything. We got a couple of giveaways coming up here in the near future. And we got, let's see, She Modern Saturdays every week. I upload on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays. So there's 3 videos for you a week. So we are at the end here, and I want you to have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.